Hello, Nikki. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Well, as I plan to go to the to the Asian restaurant, actually it's closed. I forgot this is a holiday today in Czech country.
And the streets are pretty empty.
Yeah. But hey, maybe we can take a walk to look around, and maybe we can even pick some nice, beautiful girl. What do you think? To do something dirty today. So
I hope it's going to work out because we are here since like 15 minutes and nobody came, right?
yeah, it's just like couples and kids and the guys from hotel where they've been kind of nice girl, but
There's
they're
somebody
just
coming. Yeah, no one on the streets. No one there.
empty. Yeah, just some people, but
Oh, look at.
oh hey, there's beautiful girl. Okay, we come here. Hey, may I have a moment
No,
with you,
I'm
please?
sorry, I don't have time.
I would just like to. Hey, I would just like
No,
to
no.
ask you a question. We do like public research, and it's about special kind of massage. Do you like massage?
So, yes.
Okay, and would you be willing to try some special massage from me?
No, thank you. You're
It's
so
all for
nice.
free. No, it's all for free.
You're so nice, but thank
Don't
you,
worry, it
I'm-
takes just 1 hour of your time, and I guarantee you will like it.
So, no, I'm so sorry.
Really? We actually.
I'm so shy and. But thank you.
It's
I have
gonna
to
be
go.
me and you and some beautiful Japanese oils, and we have a special place here, and you would be one of our first 3 people who will get there, and I would be so happy if you can
It's like
participate.
a Japanese massage.
Yes, it's Japanese company, and we arrived here in Prague, and we would like to pick few lucky people so they can try it for free and give us the feedback. How did you like it? What did you change? So you will be very important part of our company, actually.
I'm so sorry, but I'm not sure. I never tried this massage.
So that's maybe why you should try it, because it's gonna be like really nice and relaxing. Don't worry, you will not be naked. You will even get special clothes, so nothing will get dirty. And then you can just go home and even tell to me and even to the camera what you were thinking about and how do you like it, and it's very good for your health. I will massage your lymphatic system, and if your bones, muscles or joints hurt, so like put them back where they're supposed to be, and I guarantee you will feel like a newborn.
So, and for how long?
It's gonna be like maximum 1 hour. We can do it quickly if you wish, but I think the 1 hour is perfect. It's just gonna like
And you have time. I have to go now to the office, but can be in the evening or something.
yes, we can meet in like 2 hours. Are you free? So you will come back and we can meet. What do you think?
So,
I can give you my number actually if you want.
yeah,
and
if
we
you
can-
have something,
yeah.
you know, I've got to work and no, I can't.
Here's my number and information.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be in this place. So if you can come,
So I can only call.
yeah, and come here. So you are totally welcome. I'll be very honored if we
So
can
in
cooperate.
like a relax massage.
Yeah, it's relaxed
Can we-
massage and healthy massage for the lymphatic system and for the muscles.
But looks great. Yeah, listen great. Yeah.
Definitely.
So-
So and all for free. So I'll be very happy if you can try it and I can massage you.
So okay, I will come.
Okay, so we will be here and we will be waiting.
thank
Yeah, we're
thank
See you
you.
in 2 hours, okay?
Okay,
Thank
see
you,
you in 2
thank
hours.
you. Bye.
Have a beautiful
Bye.
day.
Bye bye.